welcome to my super creative Numberblock zone. Hello Numberblock fans, in this channel I'm going to explore the Numberblocks with Numberblocks toys. So please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos in my YouTube channel. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to explore the Numberblocks from 279 to 281. Alright, so the first character is 279. So 279 has 200 light peach blocks, 70 light rainbow blocks, and 93 tiles of gray blocks. So we build 279 just like before, but there are 93 tiles of gray blocks at the top to make 279. Okay. So we build like this, and 279 has the old divisors, which is 31 lots of 9s or 9 lots of 31s. This means probably the demon number, or also can be called calendar number or demon number. Here's our number block 279. So we need to make a little magic, and oh, that was surprised. Here's our number block 279. Okay, so the next is the 280. Yay, finally we're in the roaring 280s. So here is the 280. So 280 has 200 light peach blocks and 80 light pink blocks. So we need to build not like before, because it couldn't catch. It couldn't capture the more taller than ones. That's because it captures only 14 blocks tall. So I have to change my formation like this. First, we build 260 like before, and then we need to attach 20 blocks more by laying 10 blocks tall at the side, so we can make 280. So 280 also has the old divisor. Well, it has 0 enders. Probably can divide by 10 or not? That's it. It can divide by 10, which is 10 lots of 28. Well, that's why 280 has the rainbow eyebrows. That's because 200. Wait. Oh, there's a gap. Sorry, I forget. Anyways, I need to attach the face stickers. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here's 280. I thought it will be full rectangle, but actually there's a gap. I thought it's a full rectangle. But anyways, here's our 280. Okay, so the last character is 281 in today's video. So 281 has 200 light peach blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 1 red block. Well, 281 is the prime number, but 281 is the 60th member of the Prime Club, which means 281 should have the face similar to 60. Okay. That's because 281 is the 60th member of the Prime Club. You might be confused that, wow, why 281 can divide by 60? No, 281 is the 60th member of the Prime Club, which has the 60th face, which has the face similar like to number block 6 and 60. You know, here is 280, and then we need to attach 1 red block to make 281. A little magic here, but the face seems weird, but that's okay. This is our 281. So this is all of the characters that I built today. If you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye!